Hello children, freedom struggle, that lesson we are learning now. In that we learned about the Indian National Congress and the moderates we learned. What are their demands, that also we learned, and the importance of moderates also we learned. In today's class we are learning about the radicals, the age of radicals. Radical means what type of people they are. Their age is from 1905 to 1990. Followed from the year 1885 to 1905, it is the age of moderates. Beginning members of the Congress party will be called as the moderates, and they are using the way to how to convince the British means pleading, praying, or education they used to follow. That is the method of moderates. Radicals are different children. Their age is from the 1905 to 1919. In the year 1919, revolutionary nationalism started, so that is different. What are these radicals? See children, moderates, they are being loyal to the British government. How they are persuading them, how they are convincing the British government to fulfill the demands of Indians by way of praying, by way of pleading, by way of agitation. Means they are not violent, they are not using the violence. In a soft manner they are convincing the British. But in the Indian National Congress Party, some of the people did not like this one, because British were not ready to fulfill the demands of the moderates. They are taking long time for this one. So what the moderates, they are using the policy like wait and see. Wait and see. That policy they are using means what happens we'll see. What they are going to do we'll see. Like that. Wait and see, that policy. Because they are not using any violent methods. They are not doing any violence. In a soft manner they are convincing the British. This was not liked by many of the Indian National Congress members. So new kind of people emerged from the Indian National Congress Party. They want some violent method, some revolutionary method they want to apply to convince the British government to fulfill the demands of Indians. That new group only called as the radicals. Means they are using the violence method they are using to persuade the British government. So important radicals are Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. These are the three important ones. Many were there, but these are three important ones. So usually they were popular as Lal Bal Pal. Like this, people used to call them like that only. Lal Bal Pal. Lal means Lala Lajpat Rai. Bal means Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Then Pal means Bipin Chandra Pal. Like this they used to call them. Followed children? Yes. Then what are the reasons for the growth of the radicals? Already said moderates, what the way they are applying, that was not liked by the radicals. So they chosen the different way. Even though the point was, if you want to tell the reasons for the growth of radicals means, first one is ignoring Indians for the higher post in the administration. In the moderates demand, there is one of the demand that there should be Indians in the higher post. But British ignore this one. Yet they not given any higher post to the Indians. Still Indians are working in a lower category only. That is not liked by the radicals. That is one reason. Second one, Lord Curzon, he divided the Bengal as a Muslim and Hindu. On communal basis he divided children. In the year 1905. On a community basis, very worst it is. Because religion is on our birth only. On the basis of religion, anything is doing means it will be deep rooted. So here Lord Curzon divided the Bengal. So East Bengal, West Bengal, like that he divided on the basis of religion. Hindu, Muslim he divided. That is also one of the reasons for the growth of radicals. Then the defeat of Russia in the hands of small country Japan. Japan is a very small country children, island it is. Russia, very big country, that was defeated by the Japan. So Indians got the inspiration. When small country Japan will defeat the Russia, means why can't we defeat the Europeans, British? So they got some inspiration. Then Indians were inspired by some revolutionary movements which were taken place in Ireland, Russia, China, Egypt. Some revolutionary method they were there to in the political crisis. That also inspired the Indians. By revolutionary method, by violence, we can persuade our demands to the British government. That inspiration Indians got. So these are the 4 reasons for the growth of radicals. Followed? Yes. In the radicals, important one I wrote on the board, that is Lal, Bal, they are called. Regarding them, I will explain now. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He is a great patriotic person, children. What he said, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. That is his proclamation, his qualities. Swaraj means own country, it is my birthright, it is my land and I shall have it. That was his slogan, you can say. Then he brought the people close and in an intact manner by introducing the festivals like Ganesha and Shivaji. Shivaji festival and Ganesha Chaturthi, these are all the contribution or the gift of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, you can say, children. Because in olden time, gathering of the people is not allowed. British were not allowed any Indians to gather in public. So how to take the people in contact, how to interact with the people. Already we know that in the year 1857 war, Queen Victoria, she given warning to the British that don't interfere in the matter of religion, Indians' religion. That one she given the order. Now British are not having any right to interfere in the matter of religion. So that one Bal Gangadhar Tilak taken the advantage and he started the Ganesha festival in public. Otherwise in olden time, Ganesha Chaturthi was not celebrated publicly, children. In the house only they are used to celebrate. So what he made, publicly we are celebrating the Ganesha Chaturthi means procession and all, people will gather. In the reason of that procession and all, we can communicate with the people. We can negotiate with the people. We can inform the people about the British policies, about the revolt or any hesitation they are making, means regarding that one they can give the information. In that reason, he started the Ganesha festival as well as Shivaji festival also. Followed, children. So Ganesha Chaturthi started from Maharashtra only, children. So till today it is very celebrated in a very grand manner. Yes, no? Yes. Next, he started the newspaper Maratha and Kesari. Maratha and Kesari, these 2 newspapers he started, children. Then Bipin Chandra Pal, that one, he started the newspaper New Delhi, New India newspaper he started. In that they used to write about the Indian economic condition, about the British policies, all that one they used to write in that. Then he organized the mass protest in Bengal. When Bengal was separated, no, that time he organized the mass protest against the British. Then Lala Lajpat Rai, he is called as Lion of Punjab. He is called as Lion of Punjab. Lala Lajpat Rai. What he used to say, children, we get Swaraj as a right, not as a all. What the British, see, when we are fighting for our freedom, they are giving the representation of few people, like a all, I mean charity. Like a charity they are using little. So what he said, children, Lion of Punjab, means how lion is roaring, no? If lion roars means whole jungle will be alert. Everyone will be afraid of that sound. Such a sound it is. So whenever he used to say no, it is like a thunder. So he referred as a lion of Punjab. He is from Punjab, so they called him as a lion of Punjab. What he said, we will take our freedom as our right. As a right we'll take, not as a charity, not as a alms. That one he given order to the British. Next, another one radical leader is Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh is also one of the radical. He started the Vande Mataram daily newspaper. He started and he adopted the radical method. What he did, children, by boycotting foreign goods. Foreign goods they boycotted. Then using only Swadeshi goods. What made in India, that one only using, and opening the national schools. Already British English medium schools were there, but Swadeshi means we must start our own school. He started the schools, Swadeshi goods started using and boycotted the foreign goods. Like this way, he started some radical methods. Yes, these are the things about the radical children. I hope you understood. Only difference between the moderates and the radicals means both fought for the freedom only, children. Moderates, they are very soft one by praying, pleading, agitation, satyagraha. Agitation means by that way they are pursuing the British government. But radicals, they adopted the some violent method. That is the reason. Yes, difference. Next, partition of Bengal. I said no, children. That is there. Yes. Yes, because of radical struggle, children. In the year 1905, Lord Curzon, he divided the Bengal. He separated the Bengal between Hindu and Muslim. It is on 16th December 1905. Officer was Lord Curzon. It made the radicals very cruel, children. They become violent. That is also one of the reasons for the Indian National Congress Party members to become as a radicals and adopting the violent methods. Yes. When the Bengal was divided, National Mourning Day, it is celebrated throughout the Bengal. Because Hindu, Muslim, they were different religion, even though they were very friendly. With the harmony they used to live, children. When they are divided, people felt very bad about this one. So they started the celebrating National Mourning Day in the Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore, he is from Bengal only, children. He wrote our national anthem in Bengal only. All of you know this one. He wrote one national song, Amar Sonar Bengal. That song he wrote, Amar Sonar Bengal. National song it is. Till today it is Bengal's Nada Gita only it is. State song actually, no, that one it is. Then Bankim Chandra, Vande Mataram become the song of patriotics. That time, this Bankim Chandra, all what they started saying the Vande Mataram, they wrote in the Bengal. They want to show that Vande Mataram means what it is, children. We all are children of one mother, Bharat Mata. That is the meaning of that song. So to create the patriotism, they started singing the song Vande Mataram. Then Hindu, Muslim, they were in a harmony, they are living, children, they were very good in a relation. So to show the British that we all are one, we all Vande Mataram, we are all children of one mother, we all Indians. That one they wanted to show to the British. For that purpose, each Muslim and Hindu people exchanged the Rakhi. Rakhi means it is brotherhood, it shows no, children. That one they made. Then, so all this against the British, when they made a partition of Bengal, because of that reason only many struggles started, many revolts started, violence started, Vande Mataram movement started, all this one. So it became very difficult for the British to suppress all this one. So it became more pressure on the British to cancel the partition of Bengal. So they cancelled the partition of Bengal in the year 1911. Again they cancelled it. Followed. Yes, this is about the partition of Bengal, children. Muslim League also established. Only Indian National Congress Party was there, but because of British, one more community started, association started, that is Muslim League. That one we will learn in the next class, children. For today's class, I will give the homework. Okay. Yes, homework for today. Who are radicals? The definition you read. Who are popularly known as La Wal Park. Mention the reasons for the growth of radicals. Who is known as Lion of Punjab? When did partition of Bengal took place? Who started New India newspaper? Yes, this much is the homework, children. Muslim League I will take in the next class.